Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side, lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day, but I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue...
I always find it really difficult to know whether I should add more detail or just leave it as it is. So the background I think is done. I need to do the little bird here. Yeah, we'll see how I'm going to do him. I'm not quite sure yet. But do I do more branches in the background or more trees? I don't know. I might just add a few little details, but I rather like it like this. I think simple is sometimes best. The other question is, a colourful bird or a bird in earth tones? I have to make a decision.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear.
It's pretty misty out there this morning. You can't really see our hill. Excuse the slightly dirty window. But yeah, very autumnal. God, it's so cold in here today. Hello, this is Editing Natasha here. I need to do a voiceover for this bit because the sound was really bad. But what I was trying to tell you was that I'd been spending a few hours this week working on some new creatures on beach pottery, and I did those three the day before and they'd already sold, and these 5 I'm working on at the moment, and the little fox is already finished and the bird is on his way, but I wanted to get those completed today and pop them in the shop. So here they all are together. I was photographing them for Instagram here and also doing them individually, the 5 new ones, to put them in the shop. And then I was going to get on with finishing the bird painting you saw me working on the other day. At this point you can see that I've added the base colours to the bird before adding all of the details and patterns on top, and I also decided to add just a little bit of detail to the background too.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak, but I know you're stronger than what you think.
I hope you all enjoyed this studio vlog. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and perhaps even consider subscribing to my channel if you aren't already a subscriber. If you are, I deeply appreciate it, so thank you very much, and I'll see you again soon for another video.